Do you have a large text and would like to organize it with words open? Click anywhere in your text. Then, click on Normal with the left mouse button. Now, right-click and click on Update Normal to match selection. This makes Word recognize all your text equally and be able to separate the chapters correctly. Now, you leave a blank space above the beginning of the text. Click on References. Now click on Table of Contents, Custom Table of Contents, and then OK. If any chapters have not been registered in your table of contents, click on the chapter title and select Headings 2. Now, to update your documents table with the addition of a new chapter, go to References again and click on Update Table. Select the Update Entire Table box and click OK. If you still have any problem regarding this matter, comment below. Subscribe to the channel and leave a like. Bye!